In this video I'm going to show you how to put the Riptide bag on top of the Riptide, and this is a very easy process, but I'm going to go over some of the steps here when you go to put the bag on. The first thing to note is inside the bag you have this groove, and on the top of the Riptide Vacuum you have this ridge. So the ridge has to sit inside the groove in the bag, and it's very easy to do. So for me it's easy to start on this side of the vacuum. So you want to put the groove inside the ridge, then you feel with your hands to make sure that it's in there. Then simply take your hands and push back. The bag will snap in. So it's a very simple and easy process. And this process works with all the different Riptide bags. I really like the new bags and the fact that they're color coded. So you have the 100 micron here, I have the 25 micron, and then I have the 75 micron. So that's how you put the bag on the Riptide Vacuum System. It really couldn't be any easier. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.